Ayun. So, good evening everyone. Magandang gabi at magandang umaga po sa lahat na nandito sa time po na binigay po ninyo to hear my Atomy Vision or my story. So last time it was my dad who shared Sales Master Ray a visit. Now it's my turn. So dapat na una muna ang tatay, then anak. So ayun. Again, I'm Teresa Visit, Sales Master from Los Baños, Laguna. I am a teacher by profession, but an entrepreneur on the side. But sometimes, mas entrepreneur pa po. Mas business person pa. Full-time business person and then a part-time teacher. So, I would like to share po our Atomy story. So, pasensya po medyo emotional person po ako eh. So, tears along the way. But I hope I can deliver and share and inspire everyone on how I and our family do this business. So, like what I said, I'm a teacher po. I'm 7 years in this profession, going 8. I am currently teaching in a Montessori school, and I used to teach po in Vietnam. So I was an OFW for 4.5 years. So I taught Vietnamese students aged from 6 to 12 and then adults as well. So if you could see here the pictures, those are my students. So I'm also in a family of 5. I am a middle child and the only girl in the family, the princess in the family. So my parents, Ray and Eva Agbisit, my brothers, Ramon and Paulo. So when I was growing up po, I remember my parents were always away. Sorry. They're always away doing work. Eh, syempre, pagkagising ko sa umaga, um, minsan po si mommy nasa bahay or si daddy or minsan wala po sila parehas. And then, pagdating po from school, naiiwan po kami sa yaya, sa lola namin. So, I always see them go out and work. I used to see them po working sa laundry shop namin before. And then, one time they would just bring us to some business meetings. Lagi po nila kami kasama nila, mommy at daddy po pag may mga meetings sila sa Max, sa McDonald's, sa Chowking. Then they always talk with a lot of people. So they were doing a business, not the traditional one. They are doing a network marketing business. So as early as I can say, 7 years old, I'm already exposed to this world. So I already have the idea of doing business. So I remember I wrote pa po dun sa school na, what do I want to be when I grow up? I wrote na I want to be a teacher and a businesswoman, like my parents. So they inspired me to do business. So I see them get recognitions, meeting a lot of people. They have products at home po that they sell to other friends or colleagues. So, ako din po nagbenta. So, since my parents are business people, nagbenta din po ako sa school. So, I have this yellow Tupperware na nandyan yung mga candies, yung mga cookies, biscuits, na binibenta ko po sa snacks, street snacks time namin sa school, sa classes. So, every time na may benta po ako, sabihin ko kay mami, magko-compute kami together, then you will go to the supermarket, bibili po ulit ng mga bagong mga pangtitinda. Tapos ibenta din. Hanggang routine ko na po siya sa school. So I think I started selling at when I was in grade 3. So, bebenta ako ng mga snacks sa classmates ko. So, think ko naman hindi naman kami nalugi. Ni mami dito. But I enjoyed it. Sabi ko, ganito pala pag may sarili kang business. Tapos, I get to buy yung mga gusto kong snacks. Tapos, yun yung mga binibenta ko sa classmates ko. So, it was a good time. My mom and my dad had a good business. Maganda yung flow ng business nila. And then there was one time na lagi kami nasa bahay ni Lola. Tapos, ako na baka nagbabakasyon lang kami. Yun po pala, nagsa-struggle na sila sa business nila. Wala po pala kaming kuryente at tubig sa bahay. Kaya po pala nandun kami kina Lola. Tapos, wala na, they let go yung business po namin na laundromat. And then, I don't see them going on the same company Like they jump from one company to another, then they have new business partners. And then doon ko po na-realize, nagsa-struggle yung business ng parents ko. Then my dad got sick. He got very, very sick that I thought, or we thought that he was dying already. So, it's very hard kasi I remember may mga friends sila mama nagdadala ng food para sa amin. Akala ko naman kung ano yun. Later ko na lang na-realize na tulong nila sa amin pala. May mga friends sila mama po na pupunta dito sa bahay. Um, Minsan lunchtime or dinner, may dalang KFC, may dalang Jollibee. So I remember those things because we really struggled at during that time. So aside from the business was down, my dad was sick, we were struggling really financially. So during that time, I think I was already 10 or 11 years old po. And then at this time po, there was another multi-level marketing that was introduced to my parents. It was a functional food beverage that helped my dad recover from his sickness. Nagkaroon po kasi siya ng tumor sa lungs niya. And then, after some time, my dad and my mom nag-spend sila ng time dito, ininom ng dad ko yung product. And then, gumaling siya, natunaw yung bukol. And it was the start of another opportunity for them because it also has a business opportunity. So aside from the beverage that they were drinking, meron siyang time na magkaroon ng income. So this time I was involved already. Sabi po ng mga business partner sila daddy na nakakausap ko ngayon, ibay ko yung dati dun sa table sa labas sa registration. Ganto ka nakalaki ngayon. Ako na daw po pala yung big girl ngayon. Di na daw ako yung maliit na bata na nagsusulat ng mga pangalan, nagbebenta ng mga flyers sa kanila. So, that time, I was involved again in this business that kasama sila. Lagi po kaming kasama nila mommy at saka nila daddy sa mga business meetings sa McDonald's, mga business partners nila. Yung bit kami ng parents namin. So again, like what I said, I'm exposed. I already have the idea na pag pala nagbi-business ka, may income na dadating sa'yo. Mas maganda na nag-business ka kasi you have your time. Like what I said po, we go to other places. Bit nila kami. And then, nag-take off yung business ng parents ko. They were recognized, nag-level sila. May kakatok sa bahay, dala ng flowers, their congratulations. And then, my parents were able to go on a cruise. Sabi ko, ano yung cruise? Tapos mag-abroad daw po sila kasi incentive sa business, mag-cruise daw sila. Tapos doon ako natuwa na, like possible pala yun, no? Na nagbe-business ka ng ganito sa company and then you get incentives like this. Yung Royal Caribbean Cruise po yung pinuntahan nila. Tapos, nagka-idea na ako na, okay, pag tanda ko, pag laki ko, gusto ko ganun din. May business din ako. Yan, nag-travel po yung parents ko sa US. Di lang po may kasama because we have school. And then they're doing business in the United States. So sabi ko, uy, pwede pala yun. So they were also talking in front of a lot of people, giving trainings. Kasama din po kami doon. Nandun lang po kami sa gilid. Nag-cheer, nagpumapalakpak. Pag po may kailangan assistance, tatawag ng mga waiters, ganun, hingi ng tubig. And ako po yung yun, nasa back, parang back room na if they need something, ball pen, papel, andun po ako. And then, from our old car, it was an old Vesta van, color blue. I remember, wala po aircon yun. Tapos sira pa yung window at lock ng kotse na yun. Before po. And then, karoon kami ng mga bagong kotse. Sabi ko, uy, gumaganda yung business ng parents ko. Na-upgrade yung kotse namin. Naganda. Nakapag-celebrate kami ng birthdays. Invited yung mga business partners po ng parents ko. Tapos, nakakapasyal kami. Napapasyal po namin yung grandparents namin nun. It was very nice. Sabi ko, it really gave me that idea na possible. You can really earn a lot of money, not as an employee, but doing business. So, every time they do or their business opportunity meetings, nasa arcade lang po kami magkakapatid. Bibigyan kami ng budget nila. Mami, maglalaro kami. Pag po time na kumain, babalik na kami, kakain na. And then it was a good time because the food was not the problem anymore. So it was really a fun time. And then they were able to send us to good schools. So, nag-aral po kami sa magagandang schools, science school, private schools. But that thing like okay, I already felt that there was a change in our financial status before kasi ramdam ko po yung hirap namin dati, tipong nga po hinihingi pa yung kakainin namin, and then given this opportunity na nabigyan ulit ng yung parents ko, yun na mas namulat yung mundo ko na it's really possible pala talaga na pag gusto kong gawin yung gantong passion, mag-teacher or mag-theater, pwede kasi nasusuportahan po ako ng parents ko. So, it gave me that ting! Yan, the light bulb moment na, I can really have that time where money will work for me. Yan po yung tumatak sa isip ko. Na nakikita ko yung parents ko, money can work for me when I start doing business. I just have to establish it. Kailangan ko lang siyang gawin and then relax na lang ako, magta-travel na lang ako. Ay, gusto ko po pumunta ng Disneyland. Sabi ko, yun yung ultimate dream ko noon. Magde-Disneyland, magta-travel, mamamasya sa Pilipinas. Tapos yan, make money work for you. That thing stuck on my head that I want when I get older. Money will work for me, not I will work for money. So it became a goal in my head. Nasa isip ko lang po siya. But something happened again. There was a downfall on their business. So we lost our car. We stopped going to school. We stopped going to school. Um, we have to go back po from Santa Rosa, Laguna. We went there for schooling. Then we have to go back to Los Baños because wala naman po kaming gagawin doon. Kasi hindi na po kami pumapasok. So bumalik po kami ng Los Baños. Sama po namin yung lola ko. And then during that time, my mom decided to become an OFW. So it's been a long time already that she's been away. And it was very hard. So this was our last picture together. Naliliit pa po namin dyan. I think I was 15 years old. So it was a very difficult decision for us. But of course, life must go on. During that time, my parents decided na wag na mag-join ng mga business. So my dad become a full-time dad to take care of us while our mom provide for us financially. But, of course, the business person in my head, sabi ko, kailangan I have to do something else. Kailangan magkaroon ng extra income. I was fourth year high school then. So, wala pa akong ginagawa for a whole year. Tapos, ika-idea po si mami na, sige, ano ko ng balikbayan boxes, tapos benta nyo dyan sa garahe. Tapos, ang gawin ko naman po, pipicturean ko yung ibang products, ibenta ko siya online. So even before the online thing started, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa mga ibang shopping platforms, feeling ko po nauna na ako. Ang po-post na po ako noon sa social media, sa Facebook and sa Multiply. If you're familiar with these websites. I take photos of these products, binibenta ko po siya online, and then nakakabenta po ako. Funny because I was away for some time with friends in Los Baños. And then, nung nagpo-post po ako, nakakabenta ako sa mga friends ko. So, I was able to reconnect with them. So, sila na yung naging audience ko na taga-bili. So, ang dami ko pong tinrayan, flower crowns, yung mga damit, bibili po ako ng bag, papamodel ko sa friends ko, tapos yung mga earrings, po anklets, ako po gumagawa ginagawa ko po siya, bebenta ko siya sa mga friends ko. So, yung income na nakukuha ko doon, dinadagdag ko sa baon na binibigay sa akin ng dad ko, ng mom ko. So, di naman di po ganun nahirapan kasi pagbalik ko po naman ng school, mas lumaki yung market ko. So, dami po ako ulit na benta ng mga bagay. So, do college po, nagtuloy-tuloy siya. Nakapag-bazaar po ako sa school, sa university ko po, and then benta po ulit ako ng mga gamit online, nagbenta po ako ng cosmetics. I think I've tried everything. Mula sa pots and pans, sa books, sa clothes, sa shoes, sa bags, sa lahat po siguro na try ko na. Pero yung mga ulam hindi pa. So, I've tried it. So I believe that entrepreneur in my mind is still there because I was able to produce this and help myself, yung mga gusto kong bilhin, nabibili ko doon sa mga bagay na kinikita ko na. So, nagtuloy-tuloy po yun hanggang nakagraduate na ako ng college, able to teach for 2 years in the Philippines. But during this time po, there were some titos and titas in the business industry sending messages to me. Word nga po sa akin. Ba't hindi sa nanay at tatay ko? Sa akin. Sa akin na po sila nag-message. They were messaging me, inviting me to their meetings. So ako naman po, because of what happened with my parents' business before, and I see my dad and my mom, di na po sila nag-i-involve. So they just, okay, listen, but they don't involve themselves in the business anymore. So I feel like they're not interested na. Kaya po ako siguro nagtitinda na lang ng very traditional. So sabi ko, hindi naman interested yung mom and dad ko. Hindi na lang po. Lagi kong tina-turn down yung invitation sa akin sa mga businesses ng mga titos and titas who are still in the multi-level marketing industry. Until such time that I got a message from a friend na mag-open daw siya ng English Center sa Vietnam. So, I was able to go to Vietnam. So, 2019. So, 2019, na 2 years, na-graduate, given the opportunity to work abroad. So, sabi ko, it's very nice kasi the pay is bigger than what I get as teaching dito sa Los Baños. So, na-enjoy ko siya mabuti po talaga. So, I get to work, walang masyadong lesson plan, walang masyadong lesson planning, yung mga estudyante kong adults, parang kapatid ko lang, nagkukwentuhan, nagko-coffee shop, kumakain, yung very relaxed lang po yung naging way of life ko sa Vietnam and my way of teaching there. So, I was an English as a foreign language teacher. And then I was able to travel across the country. So I was able to visit, I think, more than 5 places. So bundok, mula sa malamig na lugar, mula sa beach, yan, napuntahan ko po yan. Kasama ng mga naging Vietnamese friends ko po. And then not only visited the other parts or provinces in Vietnam, I was also able to go abroad, travel abroad. So pag po pala talaga nag-earn ka ng dollars. Tapos wala naman po ako ibang responsibilities. So, single naman po ako. Wala po ibang responsibilities. Wala po ibang in-invest na properties. So, I was able to travel. I was able to enjoy my hard-earned money and spend or create these memories and experiences. However, COVID-19 happened. So, sa Philippines, yung COVID, very na, ano siya, ramdam na. However, sa Vietnam, hindi pa. So, nag-enjoy pa po ako mga 2019, 2020, until 2021. 2021, it was very hard, promise po talaga. Kasi, ganun po pala yun, yung hindi ka pa lumabas. Tapos, wala kang trabaho. Yung mga parents, ayaw na lang dalhin yung mga bata sa English Center. Ayaw ng mga estudyante kung mga adults mag-aral online. Kasi ayaw po nila ng online, ayaw nila ng, syempre, bawal po face-to-face, ayaw nila ng face-to-face, wala po akong trabaho. Dumating po sa point na yung ipon ko, naubos ko na, kailangan ko na humingi sa nanay ko. Para lang po bang magkaroon ng income or magkaroon ng perang panggastos. So, that time during COVID, it was the hardest because I cannot go back to the Philippines. Ang hirap po umuwi ng time na yun. Tapos, yung mental health mo, sobrang, struggle siya talaga. Sin super that I really felt that the world was, against me during that time. So it's really hard, so hard to cope. So I chose to distract myself to paintings and playing with my pet. But then, thank God, naging okay to COVID kasi it opened me to another business opportunity. So, business na naman. May nag-introduce po sa akin Vietnamese. So, may nag-introduce sa akin ng Vietnamese na produce sila ng face mask. So, sabi ko, uy, pwede, possible. Papadala ko na lang sa Philippines. Tapos, ibebenta yung face mask, ma-market sa mga kasama, mga kakilala. And then, pumatok naman po siya for some time because people needed to wear face mask because of the COVID-19. So, that thing on my head, sabi ko, pwede siya maging global business. Because I have, markets na sa United States. The face mask was, nakarating po siya ng US. So, sabi ko, pwede ako mag-supply ng face mask. So, that idea of providing or exporting these products sa Vietnam since I'm there to the Philippines and United States and possibly to other countries too. So, doon po, magandang bagay na think na naman sa isip ko. Pagka-entrepreneur ko, lumabas na naman during this difficult time. But then, everything was okay. So, sa Vietnam, wala na namang face mask. Hindi na face mask yung mga tao. Tapos sa Philippines, naging okay na ulit yung mga restrictions. So, wala na naman ulit yung face mask business. So, tuloy na lang po ulit yung buhay. So, nagtuturo na naman ako ulit. Everything was back, but the pay was not the same anymore. But I don't have any complaints because during this time after the COVID, at least I have work. Doon ko na-appreciate na, at least may work ako ngayon. Pwede akong makakain ng mga gusto kong kainin, malagaan ko yung pet ko, and then I have a family, a Vietnamese family who adopted me to be with them for the whole year before I went back to the Philippines for good. So, during that time, around October of 2022, if I'm not mistaken po, I see my dad posting something on Facebook. Tapos sabi ko, ano naman itong pinopost ni dad? Itong Atomy. Sabi ko, ano ba naman yan? Yan po yung isip, ano ba naman yan? Yan na naman, nakala ko ayaw na nila yung ganito, yung mga direct selling. So, hindi ko naman po pinapansin. Tapos si daddy nag-message sa akin, anak, panorin mo to. Tapos, video ni chairman, tapos Tagalog. Ako po, parang hindi po interesado. Hindi ko pinapanood. Tapos po Tagalog siya. So, kailangan po kasi pag Tagalog, kailangan ko pakinggan mabuti para po maintindihan. So, hindi ko po talaga pinapansin. So, si daddy naman po, ang tiyaga, nag-message siya every now and then about atom. Sobrang ako curious po talaga ako around that time. And then, nakita ko po na nagsalita siya sa harap. Kita ko yung post niya. Tapos, sabi ko, ba't kaya nagsalita si daddy sa crowd ngayon? Ano ba meron dito sa Atomy na to? Anong meron dito sa Atomy? So, nag-post ako yan December 12, 2022. And I said, I thought my dad retired from doing this kind of business. Maybe there's really something with Atomy that sparked the fire in him. And it made him talk in front of a crowd after 15 years. So, I don't know much about it, but I am definitely curious. So, I am curious. So, curious po ako noon that I went back to the Philippines. So, nasa Vietnam po ako noon. Fast forward to January 2023. Umuwi po ako ng Pilipinas kasi sobrang na-curious po ako kay Atom. Sabi ko, Daddy, bili mo ako nung evening care set at saka the fame set. Kung maganda talaga yan, dapat gaganda yung mukha ko. Yun na lang po yung daddy ko. Oo, binili naman niya ako. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mommy. Yan. So, yung pong mga products yan, binaon ko po yan pag-ulik ng Vietnam. So, I tried the product. I tried listening yung one-day seminar, but hindi ko pa po siya maintindihan masyado eh. Since I'm enjoying my time po, kasi umuwi nga po ako, nag-enjoy muna ako magbakasyon. So, yun, yung first time kong mag-try ng Hemuhim, tapos nag-try ng evening care set. So, sabi ko, uy, there's something to sa evening care set, ah. Ang ganda nun ah. Parang kuminis at nag-brighten yung mukha ko after trying the product na hindi ko naman po na-experience sa ibang facial cleansers ng ibang Korean products. Tapos yung Hemuhim, noong una po, di ko siya nagustuhan. Pero sabi nila maganda daw to. Sige, since we are on a food supplement, our family is really into drinking food supplements, vitamins, kami. So, I gave it a try. Kahit po hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yung lasa niya at first. So, yun po, sumama ako kay daddy. Sabi ko, kailangan kung interested ng tatay ko, kailangan ko ding talagang aralin. So, during the time na sinama ko nila daddy sa kanilang facial, sa friend niya, kina Tito Ronald, and then I was able to introduce briefly yung products ng Atomy. I just have the evening care set, at saka po yung the Fanian Rose Mist, at saka ang sunscreen BB cream. I only have these products that I've just tried then po sa time na yan. Then, nag-demo ko sa friend ko. And, hindi ko pa ganun ma-explain. Hindi pa po ko ganun sabihin natin well-equipped to explain a lot. But, it's my part po na to introduce since my dad is into this business. So, why not give it a try? So, sabi po ng daddy ko, so kino-convince niya kami ni mommy na tingnan yung company, pag-aralan. Ang bilin lang po nila sa akin parehas, manood ka ng mga videos ng Atomy.
At bilang masunurin pong bata, pagbalik ko po ng Vietnam, ang ginawa ko po ay manood lang. Manood lang po, give up ko po ang pagko-Korean drama para po manood ng mga videos po sa Atomy. So may playlist po ako noon. Papanoorin ko siya everyday. And the first person po na napanood ko is si Royal Master Ju Young Park. So makikinig, papanoorin, pakikinggan yung mga videos, a-attend ng one-day seminar. Yung po bang bago ako pumasok ng trabaho, bubuksan ko yung phone ko, makikinig lang ako habang gumagawa ng lesson, naka-open lang siya. Yung pong bang talagang I put myself into the system kasi si daddy po ayaw masyado mag-explain. Sabi ko, daddy, paano yung marketing plan? Ano yung ganito, ganyan, ganyan? Di, panoorin mo to, ganyan. Okay, so ako po naman, inintindi ko siyang mabuti. Then, when I start to have questions, doon kami nagkakaroon ng conversations. So, March 2023, during the Success Academy, nakikinig po kami ng mom ko online. And during this time, ito na po yung state ng products na meron kami. So, nag-change na po kami one by one ng products sa bahay. But since I'm abroad, limited lang po yung dala ko. And then, during this time, may sinabi si chairman na nakapagpagising sa nanay ko. And she declared during this time that we're gonna run for sales master. So ako po, wala akong idea. Ano yun? Hindi ko pa nga sa ulo yung marketing plan, hindi ko pa gets eh. Tapos mag-sales master tayo. So na-challenge po talaga ako dyan. So I feel ko na-challenge rin po ang parents ko, pero ang galing po talaga ni mommy. Nag-gets niya agad, nag-drawing niya agad. Sabi ko, ano niya nakuha yun? Ako pa yun, iniintindi ko pa yung drawing niya. Picturean niya, pinicturean po niya. Tapos binabasa ko, paano gagawin yung sales master na 2.5 million points left and right? Para po ba akong, paano natin gagawin yun, ma? Tapos, after po na lang din ni Mami sinabi yun, sa May, sa May 16 to 31. So, March, April, May, 2 months. 2 months to plug into the system, to understand the Atomy business, to spread the word of how good the products are. I have 2 months. So, ang ginawa ko, nagpaalam ako sa boss ko. Sabi ko, ate, I have a new business. I hope you could support me. It's exam week naman ng mga bata. Could you let me go back to the Philippines? So, I went back to the Philippines during the Mastership Challenge. So, yung makita nyo sa picture, busy po kami ng kapatid ko, nag-group ng mga orders, nag-i-introduce ng products sa mga bagong prospects or business partners. Ayan po ako sa kabila, nag-STP kahit bagong skincare lang. So, really took the time, spend the time to be into the system and really learn how to do this challenge. It was fulfilling to see that na yung orders pong dumadating, not only in the Philippines, but also abroad. So, nagmi-meetings po kami nila, mommy, every now and then. So, in the middle of the challenging, 1 week lang po ako sa Philippines at bumalik ako ng Vietnam. So, everything is online. Nagmi-meeting kami nila, mommy, Therese, may orders akong ganito, pa-facilitate. Si daddy po, ganun din. So, kami po, nagko-collaborate talaga to really, paano po dito, tawag dito, give yung mga products or yung mga orders ng mga customers namin, consumers namin. So, iraos naman po namin yung challenge na tapos namin and we were able to get this mastership. Ako po at saka yung dad ko. So, naging sales masters po kami noong May 2023. So, after this one, so, natuwa ako kasi kaya pala, possible pala siya. From March to May, na pag-plug in sa system because of our determination, our teamwork, with the team, we were able to achieve the mastership. So, sabi ko, pwede pala, kaya pala i-produce yung points na yun. Basta maging masipag ka sa pag-share ng product, sa pa-plug sa system, sa pag-introduce talaga, pag-learn din ng product. Kasi iba din po yung mag-share ka pero hindi mo inaaral mabuti ano yung best sa product na yun. So, we became more crazier in anatomy. So, after that challenge, mas nag-grow po yung business po ba? So we were able to have more people become users, more business partners, and ngayon po kami magkakapatid, we are into the system doing the business. So from my online shop po before na ginawa ko po online, ngayon from ginawa na po namin siyang place to share the products of Atomy. So naging ano na po kami, parang brand ambassador. Kami po family, magkakapatid, and my parents. And then, fast to forward to uh, January. Oh, sorry, but before that po, kasi during that time, so ang dami yung nangyari, the business was growing, US group is growing, another different partners around the world, sa UK, sa New Zealand, sa Singapore. So, lumalaki po yung team, yung group. But there are, po, yung hiccups along the way, may mga challenges along the way because syempre we are dealing with people. We are dealing with people na friend ng friend or a stranger that you became your friend. So, yun po yung naging challenge along the way. However, we were able to overcome it and I believe we came back stronger. So, the 2023 was successful, there are challenges, but I believe the way we entered 2023 was full of hope and drive to really do the business. So, naglilo a little around December, but on January, we really felt na, Atomy is really good. So, why do we have to give up? So, we were able to share it more to a lot of people na yung po bang mga tao, hindi na po ba sila hindi na po sila masyadong nilalapitan namin because sila na po yung lumalapit sa amin. Yung ganun po yung dating because of how we are really vocal about the products of Atomy. Sila na po nagtatanong, especially my mom. Head turner po talaga siya. Para po every time na may mamimit siya na bagong friend niya or may introduce siya sa ibang common friends, mga friends niya, patanong sila na, Eva, anong ginagamit mo? So, yung po bang effect ng products talaga, nakikita na sa atin, sa amin po. So, that's the start where the referrals of friends of friends, um, started to grow. So the group become bigger this time. And then now po I'm back in the Philippines. So I've decided to end my contract in Vietnam. I came home January and then eto na po kami ngayon. So we're really doing the business together. So madami po yung orders. Ang fulfilling po pala nun. Asa po pala sa pakiramdam na people would order products from you, you will collect them, or people will call you. Tatawagan po ako ng mga aunties ko, Therese, meron kang ano, ganto ganyan? Meron ka bang pang hair? Meron ka bang pang face? Anong maganda sa face ko? Ganyan. Tinatawagan po ako. So, nakakatuwa naman po kasi because they trust me and then they ask me. So, they believe on the product that I'm sharing with them. And biggest order ko po talaga, one single receipt, parang nasa $300 po yun. Sa US po siya, 300, around $300 po yun. Tapos, sobrang nakakatawa po kasi, first single order, 300, worth $300. Parang grabe, parang na sobra po akong kinilig na possible talaga people if they would really change their shopping habits to buying Atomy products. Kasi po one-stop shop na eh. So, yung mag-change lang ng products na gagamitin nila. Kaya pala. At sobra po ako natuwa nun na people are willing to spend that much money on these quality products and I'm sure they're not disappointed. So at this time po, January, I was able to achieve a semi-sales master. So January 16 to 31 and then last April 1 to 15 po, nag-semi-sales master po ako ulit. So twice na po siya nangyari. So I just want to share the answers to my why. Yung why ko na bakit si Daddy nagjo-join ulit sa ganitong business. So for more than a year already, I've been plugged po sa system ng Atomy. So, I have some realizations thoughts, and I just want to share why it's a good company, bakit kailangan natin siyang gawin. Bakit I see myself doing this business aside from my passion of teaching. So first is Atomy is a global business. So during the time that I was exposed to multi-level marketing, yung business po limited, parang limited lang siya around your place. And then maybe there's global but or global branches pero hindi pa po siya ganung sabihin natin um yung pong peak niya hindi pa eh. Kasi wala pa pong internet masyado nung panahon na yun. Nung bata pa po ako. Oh, global company siya pero ang hirap ng internet connection. Yung computer mo yung Jurassic pa yung malaki ng monitor tapos laki ng CPU. Oh, di ba parang hindi pa po time ng internet nun eh. And then now, no, we are in the 21st century. You have internet everywhere as long as you have also your SIM card, you have data, you have signal, you can access the internet. And this is the right time to do a global business. And as a person po doing the traditional business before with the mask, sabi ko, paano kaya yung mga legalities ng mga bagay-bagay? Which is, when I learned about Atomy, natuwa na po ako because I don't have to deal with it. So, just want to share a few points po why I like Atomy. So, first is it's global. Second, there's no joining fee. Unlike the other businesses that was introduced to me along the way, there are joining fees or sinasabi nila walang joining fee but you have to buy a package. You have to buy packages to become a member. So, ako po, yun yung nakaka-turn off sa akin. Kasi paano wala akong budget? Gusto kong gawin maganda yung business pero wala akong budget dun sa products para ma-move or gumalaw yung business na ini-introduce mo sa akin. So, hindi po siya naging thing sa akin before. So, when I learned about Atomy, there's no joining fee, no auto ship, no quota, no website fee, no packages. So, definitely, there's no risk. So, why not? Di ba po? Why not? So, why not join? Alam mo, mawawala, di ba? So, join ka, register ka. So, there's no pressure. No pressure to buy any product when you joined at first. But of course, you're highly encouraged to try the products of Atomy. So, the global business, like what I said, if I want to reach all the Filipinos around the world, it's easier for me. Now we have the social media. Now we have the platform of Atomy that you have access in 57 countries, if I'm not mistaken. Diba? Ang dami pong Pinoy kung nasaan man po sa mundong ito. So, or foreign friends that we meet along the way. Our market is very big. We're not limited into one place. And our ID is a global ID. So, kung nasaan man po kung country, nasaan mo po tayong country, pwede po tayong bumili ng Atomy products. Diba po? So, sobrang check sa akin. Ah, okay. So, kaya nagustuhan siya ng daddy ko. Kaya siya bumalik sa ganitong business. Kaya na-convince niya kami ng mom ko to do this business. And my siblings as well. So, why not? Diba po? Nothing to lose. Second is the absolute quality and absolute price products. So, I haven't heard of this sa other companies, but there are companies na bebenta din sila ng similar products with Atomy, but it's my first that yung product na ginamit ko naka-address ng concern ko. I have massive, as in po talagang hair fall. As in, grabe po talaga yung hair fall na na-experience ko. I think it's because of the stress at work, the situation I was in before, that my housemates po sa Vietnam were asking me, Therese, are you okay? Why? What's the matter? I'm fine. Kasi every time na po na bathroom sila, napapansin nila yung trash bin po, ang daming buhok. So, na-concern sila sa akin na baka doon napapanot na ako. Sabi ko, oo, problema ko na talaga yan. Sabi ko sa kanya na problem ko talaga yung hair fall ko, but I don't know how to address it. I've been changing shampoos every now and then. So, nung na-introduce sa akin yung products ng Atomy, in 1 year ko na pong ginagamit yung Atomy Herbal Shampoo and Conditioner. And I've been using hair tonic as well. Sabi ko, oo nga no. Wala na po ako nililinis sa bathroom na mga buhok na nalalaglag. Unless po pag talagang sumasama siya, pag nagko-conditioner, yun na lang po. But yung nawawales, yung nakukuha sa bathroom pag naghuhugas ng buhok, wala na po talaga siya. So, oh, di ba po, bakit hindi ko siya nafe-feel sa ibang products? Nag-aksaya ako ng pera sa kanila, pero hindi naman na-address yung concern ko. But with Atomy's products, I can really assure the quality is really nice. And the price is really at its affordable. Kung sa quality man lang po, very affordable ang price sa Atomy. And then the toothpaste, it's very wonderful. Kung problem ko po yung na para po bang yung pong singaw, tapos napapanis yung parang napipil ng panis na laway. Yung pa tawag doon. Basta very dry mouth siya. So, ayoko naman po yung mga minty, ang sama po ng lasa. So, nung na-try ko yung toothpaste ng Atomy, sabi ko, okay ah. Eh, pa bang hindi ko na-feel na ah, nagsisingaw ako ng matagal, tapos ang ganda ng breath ko, sabi ko, okay to. Okay talaga yung products ng Atomy. So, now I know why. Why my dad liked it very much. So, aside that it's a global company, the products are really good. Next is the system po. So, the system and the marketing plan of Atomy. So, it took me time to understand madaming videos, madaming meetings, madaming explanations para po magets po yung system and marketing plan ng Atomy. So, the system, they have the eight core, 8 steps, and then we have the business meetings, 1 day seminar, ano pa ito? Success Academy, and then the marketing plan. Nung hindi po ako na-immerse sa challenge, hindi ko siya magigets. Buti na lang po nag-challenge kami kasi nag-gets ko siya. Nag-gets ko yung marketing plan. So, ganun lang po pala siya kadali na ding maintindihan. And hopefully, pag nasi-share ko po siya sa mga family friends namin, sa mga prospects, sana naiintindihan po niyo yung explanation ko. But it's a nice um, system because everything is given to you. You just have to listen to one person. Di po ba? Pag gusto mo pakinggan si chairman, you just listen to chairman's videos. If you want to listen to the Imperial Masters, everything is online. We have our own channel, the channel Atomy. We have YouTube channels for all Atomy branches. So, what I did, I really took time, UK, Canada, Singapore, hanap ako na naka-English na Malaysian, Tagalog, and Philippines. Talaga pong pinakinggan ko yung mga videos nila para pong maintindihan ko ano ba yung system. And surprisingly, they all say the same thing. Mapapansin niyo po yun. Pag lagi niyong pinapakinggan yung mga leaders na nag-share ng system ng Atomy, lahat sila parehas lang sinasabi. Yun po yung sabi ko na iisa ang mind. Yun po pala yung Synergy of United Hearts. One mind, one heart. So, I really like that. So, hindi naliligaw yung mga tao kasi isa lang yung pa-follow nilang footsteps. Isa lang yung pakikinggan nila. So, hindi ka nasi-separate na one group, ito yung ginagawa nila, ito yung group, ito yung strategy nila. No, but you go to different groups, they follow and listen to the same thing. Maybe, yung makikinig kayo ng mga meetings ng mga ibang groups because some are available online, naka-live. So, they just share the same thing. They talk the same things over again. So the system is really there. We can watch the videos, and then the Atomy system, they say the passive income, it's not instant. Sabi ko, hindi po siya instant. 1 year pa lang po kami sa business ng Atomy as a family. But I can say it's not really instant. It really take a lot of your time because you are asking people to change their shopping habits, to be an active consumer, to be a loyal consumer of Atomy products. But if these people na na-introduce nyo fell in love with the Atomy products, I tell you po, it's non-stop. Like, I just want to share this one po. So, this is a proof that the Atomy system is really true. Iyo po, ang sabi nila to get a commission in Atomy, you need to have a left group and a right group. So you need to have a team on your left, team of consumers on your left, team of consumers on your right. And you need to get or accumulate at least 300,000 points on your left and 300,000 points on your right. And this is the proof po that I'm showing you from my Atomy account. Ilang matching po yan. Wala po akong ibang ginagawa aside sa teaching and pag-share ng Atomy. I just invite people to register and purchase on their own accounts or explain the business. And then, I get to travel. I was able to travel po. And then, wala po talaga akong business. Sabi ko, Mommy, Daddy, hindi off muna ako ha. Andito yung friends ko sa Vietnam. Mag-tutor kami. So, hindi po ko nagbe-business that time. So, di po ako umatid ng Zoom meeting. Kasi nag-relax po talaga ako. But the points, the purchases are just coming in. So I think I got 3 matches during the period na nagbabakasyon po ako. Kasi how wonderful, di ba? Na you get to enjoy your time and then the purchases are just coming in and then you get points and then you get commission. Diba? Pinapalampakan po yun, di ba? Parang, wow. Parang possible talaga siya. So, yung nasa isip ko po nung maliit ako na, I want money to work for me. For me. Ayun na yun. Uy, check na siya. Possible talaga siya. Sabi ko, okay, di ko na let go ang Atomy. Di ko na let go. Forever na kami ng Atomy. So, I can really say, sipag, tiyaga, talaga pong magkakaroon ka ng result sa Atomy. So, this is a teamwork of our family. So, one thing is, wait lang po. I can say that Atomy can fulfill my dream. My dreams, kamo. So, happy ko that money will work for me. I can get to travel. And as I grow older, and as a teacher, I wanted to put up my own school. But this school is a school for students with special needs. So I felt like they are the ones neglected in the society. People are not very open about their situations or needs or mental avenue or place, but hindi nabibigay or hindi na bibigay yung kailangan ng mga estudyante or ng mga bata sa kanila, mga therapy treatments to be, able to join the society of the normal people. So that's my dream to have a school for people with special needs in all needs needed, not specific to one. So I want to raise awareness on that. Next is to see the world. Now sa social media, people are posting about places and it encourages me to travel. So, at sahod ng teacher, it's sa Philippines, hindi po siya ganun kalaki kasi isa din po dollars na yung kinikita ko, pesos na. And ang mahal-mahal ng bilihin. So, yung dream na mag-travel talaga, kailangan meron kang isa pang avenue to really get extra income to fulfill this one. If you want to continue your passion or like me as a teacher. And next is this one. So as I said, Atomy and I are forever na. I was thinking of a goal. Kasi I wanna retire early po eh. Sabi ko nga, I wanna retire at the age of 35. Ewan, masyadong ambisyosa. But yun yung gusto ko. Kasi yung time na after 35, yun yung gusto ko na, relax na lang. Para habang malakas pa po yung pangangatawan ko, I can do the things that I want. Ang dami ko pong gusto gawin. Aside sa pagtuturo, gusto ko pong mag-travel, gusto ko pong matuto magluto, photography, editing, video, doing videos. I want to learn how to paint, how to dance. Ang dami ko pong gusto gawin, but the time is very limited. So I told myself I want to retire early to do these things. I still do some
from time to time, sideline, but I want to learn it like full time, earning a passive income. So I want to be a Royal Master, a Crown Master at the age of 35. So I am 28 po. So, sa mga business partners po namin, sana, ano po, wag po kayong magsasawang bumili ng Atomy products because I have a big goal po. I have a big goal. So, I hope you are with me until the end that I reach my goal. So, even you don't do the business, you just consume the products po. It would be really of big help. And I would really appreciate you helping me as I grow my business. So, I want to experience that financial freedom, that passive income, that financial independence because sabihin ko man po, it's embarrassing to ask money from your parents. Nung wala po ako, I have to ask. Mukhang nakakahiya po talaga na, eh nga, nagtatrabaho ka na, nasa ibang bansa ka na, tapos nangingi ka na ng pera sa parents mo. So, I don't want to uh, experience that anymore. But I am very thankful for my parents because during those hard times, even until now, they still support us, their children. So this is my goal. I want to be a Royal Master or a Crown Master at 35. So SRM, you got me. So that's one of my goals. And then I want to be Imperial Master at 40. I want my face, my picture na kasama po ng mga Imperial Masters dyan. So, di ba po ako nakakapunta ng Korea, but I am excited to see the headquarters, to meet the other Atomians, and learn from their stories, and to be successful like them. And not only that, I also want my business partners to be successful as well. Because kung hindi po ako magiging successful, hindi din po sila magiging successful. So, lahat po kami sabay-sabay paangat, pataas. So, everybody will meet each other at the top. So, that's my goal, Imperial Master at 40. So, I have 12 years to really finish this race as an Imperial Master. Because when I believe if I become an Imperial Master, I will be able to make a lot of millionaires. I'll be able to help a lot of people have that time freedom, that earn a passive income. Because at this time, at 40, siguro naman po, baka pala rin na may family na ako. I want to spend time with my children. I want to be present in my family, especially the formative years of my kids. If time will happen or it will come. So, I want to be physically present. I want to enjoy my time on Earth. I want to enjoy my time with my family because the ultimate goal that I really want is to be with my family together again. So, di pa po kami nako-complete since I was 15. So, ilang taon na po ako ngayon? 28. So, I've seen my dad, my brother, tapos yung isang brother ko po nasa ibang bansa din. So, hiwa-hiwalay po talaga kami. Ang hirap po pala nun pag yung families talaga na OFW. So, sa mga uh, bata or mga kaedad ko na nakikinig po dito, so it's really hard to be away with your parents. They're getting older, but you're not with them. I really wish to spend time, especially with my mom. Growing up, wala po si mami sa tabi ko, so I'm surrounded with guys. But thank you to my lola. She was there during my teens. And this is the ultimate goal of our family, to be reunited, living in one house, or be in one place together. So, I see Atomy can help me fulfill this dream as I can do business anywhere in the world. I can enjoy or have this time freedom that I really want, the passive income that I wish to, achieve. so I can really enjoy the time with the family and help other people be successful in their life because the world is getting tough. Ang hirap competition, challenge, skills-wise, you really have to, improve yourself. And then, the economy, di ba po, like, everything is going digital. So, what if one day, wala na po gustong mag-aral na sa akin, na face-to-face, gusto nila lahat online, dala sila ng courses online, and then they learn. So, how about us? Di ba po, kami, sa ganitong industry. How about yung ibang mga workers na puro robots na lang yung iba, di ba po? So, I see Atomy as my tool. In case I lose a job, I have Atomy. In case I will not have anything, I still have my family and Atomy. And definitely, I know it will happen because we have God. I believe in Him. I know that He will support us because He will really give the time for our family to achieve our dreams and our business partners and our future prospects, customers, wonderful life through Atomy. So, ito po ang aking Atomy vision. I hope I'm able to plant something on your minds and on your hearts. And I hope you don't give up. There will really be times po talaga na ang hirap kasi yung mga competition ng ibang business, ang bibilis sila kumita. Pero isipin niyo po, ang Atomy ay long term. You have to look at it at the long term. You're planting seeds now. Hindi naman po yung sabihin na tubigan mo, di ba po yung plant, mag-grow siya agad, mag-bear siya ng fruit, but it will take time. It will really take time. So you don't have to give up. There's a lot of people, 10 years, 15 years in the Atomy business. Tagal na po nila ginagawa yung business ng Atomy pero di sila sumusuko. So, dapat tayo din po hindi susuko gawin business ng Atomy. And we are very blessed because we are given this opportunity to choose to do this business. Nandiyan na po sa harap natin. Let us not let go. Huwag na po natin bitawan. We can rest. Okay, let's rest. But don't give up if you really have dreams. So, yun lang po. And thank you everyone for your time. So, yun lang po.